Transforming your outdoor space into a lush, vibrant carpet of green involves more than just scattering seeds on the soil. Growing lawn grass from seed is a rewarding process that requires careful attention, patience, and a touch of horticultural finesse. We uncover 8 secrets that will guide you on the path to cultivating a flourishing lawn from the seeds up, ensuring your outdoor oasis becomes the envy of the neighborhood. 1. Choose the right seed variety. Selecting the appropriate grass seed for your region and climate is the first secret to success. Different grass varieties thrive in specific conditions, so consult with local nurseries or extension services to determine the best seed type for your geographical area. Factors such as sun exposure, soil type, and water availability should inform your choice. 2. Timing is everything. Timing plays a crucial role in the success of your grass seed germination. Aim to sow the seeds during the optimal planting window for your chosen grass variety. In most regions, early fall or spring provides the ideal conditions for germination, with cooler temperatures and ample moisture. 3. Prepare the soil with care. Successful grass growth starts with the soil. Prepare the planting area by removing debris, weeds, and rocks. Loosen the soil and add organic matter, such as compost, to improve drainage and fertility. A well-prepared soil bed provides the foundation for healthy root development. 4. Proper seeding techniques. The secret to a lush lawn lies in even and thorough seed distribution. Use a broadcast spreader for larger areas and a handheld spreader for precision in smaller spaces. Divide the seed into 2 batches and sow in opposite directions for comprehensive coverage. Rake the soil lightly to cover the seeds and ensure good seed-to-soil contact. 5. Water wisely. Adequate watering is crucial during the germination phase. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Consider using a fine mist or a soaker hose to prevent displacement of seeds. Once the grass reaches a height of about 2 inches, transition to a deeper, less frequent watering schedule to encourage deep root growth. 6. Provide nutritional support. Fertilize your new lawn at the right time to support healthy growth. Choose a balanced, slow-release fertilizer and apply it according to package instructions. Be cautious not to over-fertilize, as this can harm the developing grass. 7. Regular mowing habits. Once your grass reaches a height of 3 inches, it's time for the first mow. Set your mower at a higher setting initially, gradually reducing the height with subsequent mows. Regular mowing encourages denser, more robust grass growth. 8. Monitor and address issues promptly. Keep a watchful eye on your lawn for any signs of pests, diseases, or nutrient deficiencies. Address issues promptly to prevent them from spreading and hindering the overall health of your grass. Growing lawn grass from seed is a fulfilling endeavor that rewards careful planning and diligent care. By following these 8 secrets, from selecting the right seed variety to providing consistent care and addressing issues promptly, you can cultivate a luxurious lawn that enhances the beauty of your outdoor space. Remember, patience is key, and with time and attention, your efforts will be reflected in a healthy, vibrant carpet of green.